bitch. Give me a beer, fucker.
Yeah, so you would say that every dollar is loaned to a nation at interest. And so what you have even at that with nothing else in the economy is a self-generating debt, which you can never climb out of. Yeah. So that already right there that's like saying, okay, bro, I'm gonna keep lending you a t-shirt every week, but you owe me 2 shirts for every shirt I give you. Yeah. Every week I'm giving you a shirt and you owe me 2. Yeah. Bro, that's a self-generating debt that how would you ever get out of it if you're loaning, if you're asking for it, you won't get out of it. There's gotta be a day that you said, halt. Bro, I already owe you 70 shirts. I can't be taking more shirts because I owe you. That's a self-generating debt, bro. And you'll never climb out of it as the economy will never.
But you have to take it to society.
So they knew that. The prime cause of the revolution was because Britain was putting a tax. They were taxing everybody. So the prime cause of the revolution was we broke away and signed an independence. Bro, the Declaration of Independence today is almost non-existent. With all the new laws that industry, agriculture, everybody has put because of money. Money runs everything, and it's corrupted and changing politicians. Even if you're a politician, it's so corrupt because they're on you, and you will back away your campaign or back away your campaign. You're gonna push for $20 million to go to childcare, and you're gonna push for $50 million to go to housing development. Now, me on the other hand, I'm gonna get this money because I'm going for NASA. And you wanna know what? I spent $10 million on the side to find out you text little boys in Canada and that you buy porn and you were convicted of cocaine addiction, and this is gonna surface. If your fucking campaigns are ever gonna make it to get that money, I'll get that before you do. It's dirt on other people, keeps this wheel moving, and it's like corruption to the top, and it's the smallest corruption all the way to the biggest of like how it all works. And so you're looking at I was looking at is that the banking systems. Okay, so you got these rich bankers, and what they do is they'll cause an incident. Like I believe honestly that these bankers, they actually paid people to blow up the twin towers. They paid people and they were along with this government to make this happen because Vietnam, if you ever knew, look at research, it's called the Battle of Tonkin. Battle of Tonkin was proven false. It never happened. It was a false flag operation. So what happened was a U.S. PT cruiser was attacked by 2 Japanese boats or something like that and was destroyed. That's why after that, immediately we entered the War of Vietnam. In Vietnam, the war generated like 2 million jobs and was generating so much money because the United States was borrowing money, and it was borrowing it from these bankers. It was borrowing money at interest from these rich bankers, and it was creating jobs and everything like that. Guess what? You know what happened with these this banking system and all this corruption? Alright, what happened? The media was informing the Vietnamese government of the U.S. restrictions, and therefore they could base their strategic plans on the battle forms, on what the restrictions were. They were selling. They were saying how the U.S. soldiers could not chase or follow certain people. They could not attack a SAM site if they were not known to be operational. They couldn't. They were all had restrictions. And you want to know what someone from the outside said? This looks like this war was meant to be sustained for a long time, as long as it would make money. So you look at World War II, same fucking thing happened, bro.
World War II was the Industrial Revolution. That's when industrial enterprise.
Vietnam with Japan. Vietnam with Japan, dude. Every war we ever entered was to stimulate jobs. It was corruption, bro. And you look at the World Trade Center. They would say that the World Trade Centers would be an exception to the rule. They said if this were to have happened and not been part of the government, it would have been an exception to the rule because of bro, these bankers, if they're with the government or not, they staged this. They made these people look like terrorists. They made this shit seem what it was to be. If the government was not a part of it, they were a victim as much as we were. They were like, oh shoot. Our homeland was attacked, but Bush wrote a thing word for word that Hitler wrote. Word for fucking word. Bush wrote the same thing was our homeland security is, our homeland is under attack and therefore we're gonna, we're gonna retaliate. We're gonna protect our homeland.
Well, dude, all right, now that you've been
this shit's
talking about
corrupt,
war,
bro. The corruption's at the top, bro.
Let me